How to fix Discord screen flickering issue. Full Guide 2026 is your Discord screen flickering, glitching, or flashing every time you try to share your screen or just use the app. In this video, I am going to teach you every proven fix for the Discord screen flickering issue, so you can get back to gaming, streaming, and chatting without any interruptions. Discord screen flickering is one of the most commonly reported problems in 2026, and it can be caused by several things including hardware acceleration conflicts, outdated graphics drivers, corrupted cache files, overlay apps interfering with the capture pipeline, or even your system not having enough resources to keep up. The good news is that most of these fixes take just a few minutes. Let us go through them right now. Fix number 1, fully restart Discord and your PC. This sounds simple, but it works more often than you would think. A complete restart clears any stuck capture or encoder session that might be causing the flicker. Close Discord entirely, reboot your computer, then reopen Discord and test again. Fix number 2, disable hardware acceleration. This is the fix that works for the majority of users. Open Discord and click the gear icon to go into user settings. Then click on Advanced. Find the hardware acceleration toggle and turn it off. Close Discord completely and reopen it. In testing on Windows 11, this single change resolved repeated flickering on shared windows in most cases. Fix number 3, update your graphics drivers. An outdated or faulty graphics driver is one of the most common causes of screen flickering in Discord. Go to your GPU manufacturer's website. Whether that is NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, download the latest driver and perform a clean installation. If the flickering actually started right after a recent driver update, consider rolling back to the previous version instead. Fix number 4, clear the Discord cache folder. Corrupted temporary files in Discord can cause flickering during screen share. To do this, fully exit Discord. Then press the Windows key plus R to open the run window and type %appdata% and press enter. Find the Discord folder, right-click it and delete it. Relaunch Discord and test again. Fix number 5, run Discord as administrator. Right-click the Discord shortcut on your desktop, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab and check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and reopen Discord. This gives Discord the permissions it needs to capture your screen properly. Fix number 6, disable overlays and third-party capture tools. Overlay apps like GPU frame counters, screen recorders, instant replay tools, and streaming software all inject into the same rendering pipeline as Discord. When two of these fight each other, flickering happens. Disable all overlays, including Discord's own in-game overlay, Steam overlay, and any GPU overlay, then restart Discord and test. Fix number 7, switch your capture mode. Inside a Discord call, when you click Share Your Screen, try switching between full screen capture and window capture. Selecting a specific application window instead of your entire screen can resolve flickering in many setups, especially if you are using dual monitors. Now here is your pro tip. If you are on a dual monitor setup, try temporarily disconnecting your second monitor and testing Discord screen share on just one display. Many flickering issues on Windows 11 in 2026 are linked specifically to multi-monitor rendering conflicts. And isolating to a single screen helps you confirm whether that is the cause before diving into deeper fixes. So to recap, restart Discord and your PC, disable hardware acceleration, update your graphics drivers, clear the Discord cache, run Discord as administrator, disable all overlays, and switch your capture mode. Work through these in order and you will almost certainly find your fix within 10 minutes. If this helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fix guides. And let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. Your answer might save someone else hours of frustration. See you in the next one.